Welcome to Fast Fix. For today's video, I want to show you how to change your Wi-Fi password using your phone. So first, connect your Wi-Fi on your router and then go to your Google Chrome and search here the IP address. You can see the IP address on the back of your router. And then right here, you just need to log in using the username and password. You can also check your router to see the username and password, or the default username or default password. Now right over here you can see the settings. You need to go to the password settings. So for this, I want to go to modify password. Then if I tap on this one, you can see this. I will put here the current password and the new password right here. Now for the second method, you can go over to your Google Play Store and try to search for router admin setup. So for this sample, I will just tap on this application, router admin setup control. And once you've done, you can now open this application. And here it will automatically connect to your Wi-Fi and just select your language right here. So if you tap on router settings at the bottom, you can log in here again your router settings. So just what we did earlier on how to log in your default username and your default password. You could also go to router passwords to find here the brand type of your router, and you can see the default username and default passwords of your Wi-Fi, so you can change the current password. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.